Hey guys, what's happening? Ollama versus LMStudio. Which local AI tool wins? Neither Ollama or LMStudio wins outright. The better tool depends entirely on your needs. Ollama is better choice for developers in automation due to its command line interface, or short for short short for CLI, and superior performance, while LMStudio is ideal for beginners in quick experiments due to its user-friendly graphical interface. Okay, so when to choose Ollama? You could choose Ollama for building applications. Its strong API and command line focus make it easy to integrate local AI models into script in production pipelines. For maximum performance, it generally offers faster interface times and uses fewer system resources, especially on hardware with limited resources. Ollama is also worth choosing for automation and scripting. If you are comfortable in a terminal environment and need repeatable, scriptable workflows, Ollama is the clear winner. You can download the tool and explore models on the Ollama official website. Right? When to choose LMStudio? LMStudio removes the technical barrier to entry for local AI, providing seamless quote-unquote open and chat experience. So, for a user chat friendly experience, the drag and drop model installation and built-in chat interface are perfect for beginners who want to start using AI immediately without coding knowledge. For quick experiments and prototyping, its visual interface allows for easy, real-time comparison and tweaking of different models and parameters like temperature and context length. For specific GPU support, LMStudio provides robust support for integrated GPUs on Windows via Vulkan and excellent performance on Apple Silicon M series chips. So you can download the application from the LMStudio website. So you don't necessarily have to choose just one. Many users run both. Use LMStudio for friendly experimentation and exploration, and turn to Ollama when you are ready to build and automate, and of course, eventually deploy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.